Selma Blair's infamous 2016 airplane meltdown is being viewed in a new light after her candid interview about living with multiple sclerosis. The actress was removed from an international flight 2.5 years ago after bizarrely exclaiming, in part, "He won't let me eat or drink. He beats me." At the time, her then 4-year-old son was traveling with her. Blair was met by paramedics upon landing and rushed to a nearby hospital and later apologized for the incident, saying she had a psychotic blackout after mixing a pill and alcohol. Now, the actress knows something she didn't then. She was living with the debilitating disease known as MS. The illness, in which the immune system is compromised, has a range of symptoms and can be quite painful. Arriving at Vanity Fair's Oscars party Sunday, Blair sported a cane she needed for walking, her first public appearance since revealing her diagnosis last year. On Tuesday, she spoke to Good Morning America about her battle with the incurable disease, saying that she had been living with MS for a long time before receiving her diagnosis and adding that she cried with relief when she finally had an answer to what was going on with her body. "I had tears. They weren't tears of panic. They were tears of knowing that I now had to give into a body that had loss of control, and there was some relief in that," Blair said, speaking slowly as she was in the midst of a MS flare-up that affected her voice. She added that she experienced years of hell during which she was at times in agony and didn't know why, admitting that she sometimes turned to alcohol for self-medication. "I was drinking. I was in pain," Blair said. "I wasn't always drinking, but there were times when I couldn't take it." Response to the interview was overwhelmingly positive, with support pouring in for the actress. Among the voices lifting her up was Sharon Osbourne, who on the talk said that she had been wrong to assume what was going on in Blair's life during the airplane incident. "We did a story on her," said Osbourne. "She was traveling on an airplane with her child and everyone was saying she was badly drunk and what a bad mother. Again, it goes for all of us, things aren't always what they seem." Blair posted a sweet thank you message on Instagram Tuesday evening, saying she appreciated the support from everyone. Related stories: Selma Blair speaks publicly for first time about living with MS. Selma Blair apologizes for airplane meltdown. "I am a flawed human being who makes mistakes." Actress Selma Blair hospitalized after mid-air outburst, "He's going to kill me." Actress Selma Blair describes what it's like to live with multiple sclerosis.